Let peace settle in the spaces between your thoughts. Let peace settle in the spaces between your thoughts, not in the loud, restless moments when your mind runs in circles, not in the endless replay of what has been or the anxious guessing of what might be, but in the quiet in between. The gentle pause where nothing is demanded of you. The space where you are simply allowed to exist. So often, we believe peace is something we have to earn, something waiting for us at the end of achievement, resolution, or certainty. But peace does not live at the finish line. It lives in the breath you are taking right now, in the stillness you rarely stop long enough to notice. Listen closely. Between one thought and the next, there is a gap, a moment so small you might overlook it, yet so powerful it can hold your entire being. In that space, there is no pressure to perform, no need to fix anything, no version of yourself you have to become, just you as you are. Let your thoughts come and go, like waves that rise and fall without asking permission. You don't need to fight them. You don't need to silence them. Simply watch them pass and gently bring your awareness to what remains when they fade. So allow your thoughts to slow. Let them drift like clouds across a wide sky. And in the spaces they leave behind, feel that calm presence grounding you, holding you, reminding you that you are here. Not in the past, not in what's next, just here. And in that space, there is peace.